What are you doing? How'd you get stuck in that chair? You're so silly. Can you get out? You can do it. Come on. There you go. Alright. You gonna try it again? Of course you do. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Can you get in the chair? Bunny, can you get in the chair? There you go. There you go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, honey. Can you sit in your chair? Come on. You're very silly. There you go. Whoa. You got it. Come on. Oh. There you go. Oh. Let's take a little break. You got it, Jefferson? Come on, almost. Oh, okay, I'll help you. I'll help you. Like that. There. There. Now what? Now what are you gonna do? You don't want to stay in there. I know you don't. I'll get you. I'll get you, buddy. Ah ha ha. Jefferson. Yeah. Come here.